In terms of trends, I would say, I think a little bit of it was covered by Rose when she was talking about the pandemic and really how we've had to change the model of how we work, and the rise of technology where we've had to move into virtual spaces. But I think we've also seen a lot of issues in terms of the inclusivity and diversity becoming a major theme in terms of the work that we are starting to do as funders. And so we've had to, of course, internally review our own policies and also ensure that we're targeting those kinds of issues with the groups that we're supporting. I'd also maybe talk about issues around the demographic dividend that has changed globally, as we have seen numbers of young people who are now at the forefront of the drivers of change in most of the countries that we are in. And so having to make our approaches a bit more agile and much more robust to really meet this younger generation of people that are now being able to make these decisions or even calling for these decisions. I think we've also seen the usual economic and inequality challenges and social and political divides in most of the countries that we are also working in, and trying to address those issues with funding also dwindling in most of these agencies. We're also having to really be a bit more strategic and tactful about where we put our resources and where we definitely see the value for money. So I think those are a couple of trends that I definitely see and that have started accelerating a lot of the changes that you're going to be seeing or are seeing with a lot of organizations starting to either restructure or changing and moving regional focus based on where they see where the need is needed.